Well, it's time to put my passion fruits back outside. This is the first plant. I'm slowly unraveling the vines from the tomato cage. I'm going to get them back up here on this thing. Interestingly enough, this plant on the left made some flower buds, which will be the earliest I've had flower buds. I think it's because I repotted it and then gave it fertilizer. See, there's a flower bud there, flower bud there. This other branch slash vine has more. Yep, so just gonna carefully put them back up. This is the second plant. This one didn't grow as much. And here's what the first plant looks like. Pretty much done with the first one. I might come back and snip a few of the vines that don't agree with the cage. For example, on the right, it's a bit of a mess there. But yeah, looks good. Hopefully the weather holds up. Alrighty, thanks for watching.